Hmm? I can find the logarithm of everything, like
Okay.
np.log. There's np.log that allows us to find logarithm of arrays. Hmm? Do you understand that?
Okay.
But if it is in a list, you can't do that. So arrays is just simply used for if you need to perform numerical calculations of on series of numbers. Is arrays. You need array.
Okay. Okay.
If you need plotting, you need matplotlib.
Hmm.
Do you get that?
Yes.
So let's not talk. Let's not make a particular examples. We want to combine numpy array and matplotlib. But before that, you should know that as a list is an object. Array is also an object. An object that I mean is that it has properties, it has attributes, it has method. Do you understand that? For example, list method, this X is a list. What are the list method? If I say list X dot index, these are the list methods that I have. Remove, pop, append. I can append it. I can add to the list. I can pop it. I can extend it. They are the properties of that
Okay.
list. Just like that, this capital letter X, which is an array, it also have its own method. Do you understand that? It has its own method
Hmm.
also. It has its own method that allows
Okay.
it to perform its functions. The first method we are going to talk about is the shape function. Shape, shape, hmm? Shape. So to determine the shape of an array. So X, capital letter X is an array. If I say that np type, if I look at the type in Python, if I say type X like this, I'm going
Hmm.
to get it as an array. It's going to tell me that is an array. Abi, this is an array. So
Okay.
looking at this,
Yeah.
I can, if I see that np.shape, I'm going to get the shape. This shape is going to return the size, the numbers of rows, and the numbers of column in that array. So it's an array of 2, 3, meaning that it has 2 rows and 3
Okay.
columns. Do you get
Okay.
that?
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yes. Yes.
So the first property we are mentioning is the shape of this particular array.
Okay.
Okay, let's now proceed. Let's now talk about indexing of an array. Indexing an array. You
Hmm.
know, if you talk about indexing a list, you can index a list just like you have this list. If I need index 0,
Yes.
it's going to give me the first item, which is this first list, and index 1 is going to
Hmm.
give me this second list.
The second list.
This second list in that particular list. So array that we have like this, we can index it. But array allows multi-dimensional indexing. Now we have two dimension. You understand that, which is rows and column. So it means that we can index it in form of a row, so we can index in form of a column. So you index in form of a column. If rows and column, you have to index it both together. If I need this 4, I have to know that 4 is in row 0, column 0. Do you get that? So I'm going to say 0, comma 0,
Okay.
which is 2 dimension. I'm going to get 4.
Hmm.
Is it interesting to you?
Okay.
So if I
That's
need
interesting. But if we didn't put it like that, if we put only one indexing, what outcome will it bring?
let's like this, x equals to 0, right?
Yes.
It's going to bring the first row.
Oh,
It's going to
okay.
assume that
Okay.
this is the first index. Like now,
Okay.
if I need this 8 here, what is the index?
The index is x in bracket
Hmm?
2 by 2 comma 2.
2 comma 2.
Yes.
It does not 2, 2. The is 1 now. You should know that it's 0, 1. There's no 2 index at all in this particular row.
Oh, 0, 1. Okay.
So it should be 1,
Okay.
2.
One,
Abi?
1, 2. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
So if I need 9, 9 is what? Okay, this it's
Nine
not even 2.
is
Wait, it's not 2, 2. I needed 8 here. It's 1, 1. Is in row 1, column 1 is 0, 1. Abi?
okay. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Yes. 1, 1.
So if I need 9, 9 is in what?
Nine is one row 1, 2.
Go 1, 2.
Yes.
So do you get that?
Yes.
So that is how to index in NumPy. And mind you, this is just two-dimensional arrays. It can be three-dimension. It can be
Okay.
three-dimension. So an example of three-dimensional array is that let's say that this x is equal to this, and this. So in this list, okay, don't let me confuse you. Let's say that x1 is equal to 5, 2. S2 is equal to 1, 2. S3 is equal to 5, 8. So we now have x equal to x1, hmm,
Mm.
comma x2. Okay, let's talk about, let's say that this particular one is half inner list like 1, 2, comma 2, 3. And this one also have its own inner list like 5, 6, comma, comma 9,
Mm.
0. And this also have inner list like 2, 6, comma 5, 4. Do you get that? So we
Okay.
have x1, s2, something like this.
Okay.
So I can then say that this particular list, then let me say x. So I have a list in which the first item has inner list. Do you understand
Mm.
that? Inner list
Yes.
item. And I also have this list in which they have its own inner list. So let's now convert this one
Yes.
to arrays. Np.array of x.
Bracket.
So let's put it to be bigger x. And let's look at the shape. X dot shape will give us the shape of the array. So it is in three dimension now. Do you get
Mm.
that? 3, 2,
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
It means that three item
Mm.
has two, and each of the two item has two items. Do you get that?
Okay.
I think we have a timeout now. So let's come back for this next session.
Okay.